Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about waxing. Before that, subscribe my channel and press the bell button. Okay, let's start the video. Today we will see two type of wax, normal wax and recurve wax. Waxing. The normal wax is made of sugar or honey because it's all natural and no chemical. Waxing is the process of hair removal. We use strip wax to effectively remove the hair from the root. Waxing removes the entire hair root from the follicle. The removal of hair using normal wax is painful. It happens because the sugar or honey present in the wax is mostly like to sticky to the skin. It can cause redness, bumps, itchiness, and this can last up to 2 days. Next, benefits. Waxing is an effective method to remove large amounts of hair at one time. It is a long-lasting method. Hair in waxed area will not grow back for 2 to 8 weeks. When hair is shaved or removed by depilated cream, the hair is removed at the surface rather than the root. Within a few days, the hair can be seen at the surface. With these methods, hair tends to grow back in rough stubble. So, areas that are repeatedly waxed over long periods of time often exhibit regrowth that is softer. Waxing does not cause cuts, pigmentation, or badly smelling skin. No harsh chemicals are present in wax, so the skin is safe from the damaging effect. Waxing leaves the skin soft, smooth, and regenerated because it also removes a layer of dead cells from the surface of the skin and thus indirectly serves the function of exfoliating the skin as well. And what are the materials required? Sanitizer, antiseptic lotion, non-perfume talcum powder, sleek wax, waxing strip, camphor lotion, moisturizer, and equipments and accessories are required is big bowl, spatula, wax eater, cotton, and towel. You should check if you have a skin infection, boils, rashes, varicose veins, or delicate skin, very thin skin, ultra sensitivity, mole, warts, and if your skin is broken through cut, you should avoid the service. And bleaching done before waxing also. Procedure. First, remove all jewelries and wipe the area to be waxed with a wet towel with antiseptic lotion. Dry the area completely and apply a light covering of non-perfume plain talcum powder thoroughly to absorb any remaining moisturizer and keep the skin dry. Test the temperature and consistency of the heated wax before applying the skin. And next, using the spatula, spread a thin coat of warm wax evenly over the skin surface in the same direction as the hair growth. And place the strip in the same direction as the hair growth. Press gently, running your hand over the surface of the strip 3 to 5 times. And gently apply a pressure to hold the skin taut and stretch the tight with one hand and quickly pull the strip. Gently rub your hand on the waxed area. Once the waxing is done, clean the area with a wet towel thoroughly and apply a camphor lotion. Finally, you apply the moisturizer. After waxing, some people may get redness, bumps, or skin irritation. It usually subsides within a few hours. Rubbing an ice cube on the wax surface also will help you in such a case. And you should avoid hot bath, use of fragrant cream, lotions, especially body scrub, and bleach also you should avoid for next 24 hours. And you should not wear a tight cloth immediately after waxing. Rica wax. Rica wax is made of resin extracts and vegetable oils. Rica is the best wax for sensitive skin. In Rica wax also, if you have a skin infection, boil, rashes, varicose veins, very thin or delicate skin, ultra sensitivity, mole, warts, and if skin is broken through cut, please avoid the waxing. And bleaching also done before waxing. Benefits of Rica wax. It suits all type of skin, even sensitive skin also. And no redness. Hair removal is smooth and does not require reapplication. Hair growth slow down, and tan removal is an added advantage of Rica wax. And pre and post wax oil making wax easier. And it is also available in many varieties. Rica wax has the following varieties. For normal skin, titanium wax. For dry skin, chocolate and strawberry. Very dry skin, coconut and olive oil. And very sensitive skin, aloe vera and green apple honey. And sensitive fleas, Brazilian wax and with avocado butter. In Rica wax, materials required: sanitizer, cotton milk, pre-gel, Rica wax, waxing strip, thread, aloe vera or menthol after wax lotion, and equipments are big bowl and wax eater, cotton, tissue and towel. Procedure of Rica wax. Remove all jewelry and test the temperature and consistency of the heated wax before applying to your skin. Turn the heater to minimum setting. Clean the area to be waxed with cotton milk pre-gel to absorb any remaining moisturizer and keep the skin dry. Using a disposable spatula, spread the very thin coat of warm wax evenly over the skin surface in the same direction as the hair growth. And place the strip in the same direction as the hair growth. Press firmly and gently apply a pressure to hold the skin tight with one hand and quickly pull off the strip in one quick motion in the opposite direction of the hair growth. And gently rub your hand on the waxed area. Please note, do not double apply on the same area. Skin might get peeled. So once the waxing is done, remove any residual wax with any Rica after wax product and clean the area with wet towel thoroughly if required. After waxing, some people may get redness, bumps or skin irritation. It usually subsides within a few hours. Rubbing an ice cube on the wax surface also will help you in such a case. And you should avoid hot bath, use of fragrant cream, lotions, especially body scrub, and bleach also you should avoid for next 24 hours. And you should not wear a tight cloth immediately after waxing. Difference between normal wax and Rica wax. In normal wax, it's painful, require multiple application, and still small hair also left behind. In Rica wax, painless and no hair left behind. In normal wax, it is suitable for normal to dry skin only. In Rica wax, suitable for all type of skin and is highly recommended for sensitive skin. In normal wax, leave the skin sticky, itchy with patches of redness and bumps. In Rica, leave the skin soft and nourished. In Rica, flavors are available. In normal wax, it has just variant. In Rica wax, tan removal is an advantage of Rica wax. And pre and post wax oil also make waxing easy and non-sticky. In normal wax, it is not suitable for sensitive skin. Wanted to buy the Rica wax? Please check the description link. So hope this will helpful to you, and I will be back with new topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye.